this is Brandon with Dynamic Page Solutions, and today we're going to take a look at Imovie. Now this software is awesome. It comes with every Mac, and it's super simple to use. I use it mostly for creating videos on communities and places that I want to get backlinks for my sites with. It's really simple. Today I'm going to show you basically a way of creating a video with stills and music that's going to capture you backlinks. But let's jump right into it. Here we are. We're going to jump into iMovie. Just click on there. Alright, here's your windows. You've got project window, viewer window, and kind of this shows you what video clips you have. Alright, let's start up here. Now you'll notice that there's nothing in these yet. So we're going to go up to File, New Project. Alright, I'm just going to leave it named New Project. You can switch that. Now you can choose a different theme. It comes with 5 different themes, and then you can just choose none if you want to add your own stuff. But I typically like to do photo album. It looks pretty cool. And then click on Create. Alright, now we've created a project, but we don't have any media in it yet. So let's go and grab some media. Go to my Finder, it's on my desktop. I'm going to use 29 still images that I've got right here. I select them, drag and drop them. Now these images I've already resized. When they first came out of the computer, they were like 3000 by 2000 something pixels, and I wanted to get them down to about 1920 by 1080. This enables me to still have good picture quality, but they work a little bit faster when they're smaller. It doesn't slow down the software for you. Okay, now they've all jumped in here. Now the cool thing about this is if I hit the spacebar, it's just going to play through my project right now. And hit the spacebar, give it a second, and you'll notice on the right over here that it just plays through. It puts all these transitions and cool effects on it already, because that's part of the theme that you picked. So it's super simple, too easy. Let me stop that, and I'm going to show you a few other things. Let's go to the front. You'll notice it says New Project up here. If I click on that, I can switch that name to Sonoran Desert. Alright, because that's going to be the name of my project. Now it's already applied to it. We can play through to check it out. Another cool thing down here, if you click on this play button, it'll play in full screen. You can view it like this if you want to. This is really helpful when you're trying to see things. So let's go back here. Now it's missing something. It's missing music. Now I'm going to go over here. I've got a few little buttons. I've got a music button, picture button, text button, transition button, and this maps and backgrounds button. I'm going to click on music. Again, I know the song I want. It's called Hit the Road. And if I grab this and drag it onto my timeline and let go, it automatically throws it on there. Now you'll notice that the green in the background is the song. It's not long enough for the entire project I've got. See how it stops right there? So what I'm going to do is each one of these picture stills is, this one's 5 seconds, 4 seconds, basically 4 seconds all the way through. If I go to here and click on Settings, Clip Adjustments, go to Duration, I want to switch that to 2, apply to all stills. Click on Done. And now every clip in there is 2 seconds long. So it brings my whole project down to a minute and 25 seconds as opposed to 3 or 4 or however long it was before. Now let's check this out really quick. I'm going to click on the play full screen again so we can just check out exactly what we're looking at. Alright, perfect. Look at that. It's playing through, it's got music, that's all you need. Alright, now you've seen how easy that is. Now you can just add things to it. So if I want, I can go down here, I can click on music and pictures, text. If I want to add some text, you can just scroll over it and it animates and previews for you. Over here, transitions, if I want to use different transitions. Maps and backgrounds, if I want to use those. Super easy tools for editing a movie together. Now that you've seen kind of how we put our movie together, I want to show you one last thing that I like to do is I go over here and I click on clip adjustments for this clip. If I go down to video effect, I can change how that still looks. And hard light looks pretty good, so I click on that one. Done. Now when I go through, it's going to put that one in hard light, which is pretty cool. Now lastly, say we have our movie done. I want to get this to YouTube or wherever I want to put it, whatever sites I want to put it on. I click on share. Now I can export it to YouTube. There's a little YouTube button right here, or iTunes, or however you want to do it. If I export it to YouTube though, I'm not going to have it on any other sites, only YouTube. So if you just want to put it on YouTube, this is perfect for you. Super easy. But I want a copy of the movie on my desktop so that I can use it on whatever sites I want. So I'm going to go down to export movie. Choose your name. I typically like to use large. When you go HD, it gets a little too big and it's a little tough for some sites to take. This one, okay, so you can see right here, it's gonna be 40 megabytes, and usually the cutoff is about 50 megabytes, 50 or 100 megabytes. So HD is too big. All you do is click on export. I'm not going to do that because I've already done one that I'm going to show you today. And right here, Sonoran Desert. Now you notice that the theme was a little bit different, but that's just because I did it a while ago. So yeah, that's pretty much it with iMovie. One other thing is I'm going to attach a link to Apple websites iMovie tutorials, because if you spend 10 minutes on there on those tutorials, you'll know the software in and out. It's too easy. So good luck editing, and contact me for any more questions, and have a good one, guys.